In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use ChatGPT with Canva or how you can use the ChatGPT Canva plugin to generate AI designs. So, go to your ChatGPT, open the sidebar, click on GPTs, and then just search for Canva. Then click on Canva, click on Start Chat. Then it will bring you to this page, and you can already write here your prompt, whatever you want ChatGPT to generate for you, and just tell ChatGPT exactly how you want the poster or the AI designs to be customized. For example, I'm going to write create a summer poster or a beach part. Then just send it. Just click on confirm. Then after a few seconds, it will give you your designs. And then you just want to click on the link, which is the text in blue. And it will bring you directly to Canva so that you can also customize your design if you want. And you can also save it from here. So it's as simple as that. Thanks for watching.